Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a mystery box for you. I actually recently ordered 2 mystery boxes that I just kind of stumbled upon, and I'm really happy that I did. So today I have a mystery box from RAINE, which somehow I have never tried their products. If I have a single product, I cannot remember. So I'm really excited that this is a really quick, easy way to grab a few things and try them out. As of right now, when I'm filming this, and I always do this, literally it's available when I film, and by the time I upload, it's not available. Fingers crossed that won't happen this time. But if you go to RAINE's website, there are 2 mystery boxes. I got the $20 version, which is just the plain mystery box. So this is a $50 value for $20. You get 1 mini eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. So you do get full-size products in here, and it's again a $50 value, which is really good. You can get the Queen edition, which honestly I don't know why I didn't get the Queen edition. Apparently I just wasn't paying attention, because this one is $35 and you get an $89 value. You get a full-size eyeshadow palette, 2 lip gloss, and a lipstick. So you get an upgrade on your palette and another lip gloss. So I'm kind of sad that I didn't do that one or do both. Like, where was my head at when I was ordering this? I don't know. If you guys want to see the Queen edition, let me know, and if it's still available, I will grab that as well, because why not? So since I kind of knew what I was getting in my box, I kind of left my eyes and lips undone so that I can actually try the products out for you. I have cut my box open, but I have not actually peeked inside. So let's do it. Whoop. Okay, we got a little bubble wrap bundle. Really nicely packaged, and I can easily recycle this and I can reuse this bubble wrap. So we have the RAINE Berry Cute palette. This is what the outside packaging looks like, same as the inside. I'm tempted to peek at the lip products, but I'm not going to do it right this second because I want to throw on some eyeshadow. Ooh! If I had guessed what this palette was going to look like based on the outside, I would have been very wrong, because you have some really tasteful, like, rich colors in here. It's beautiful. There's only 6 in here, so I'm gonna swatch these out really quick. Ooh, so Pinkleberry is this one in the upper corner. It's kind of crumbly, but it's a very like soft metallic, so it's probably just gonna look way better on the eyes. All right, I got 5 of the 6 colors. I'm gonna swatch them out. All right, so here are the first 5 swatches. At the top is Pinkleberry. That is so gorgeous. Next, Purple Berry, then Platinum Berry, Kiss Berry, and Palma Berry. The last shade right here is called Love Berry. Ooh. These are some beautiful colors, and even the mattes are swatching pretty darn well, which doesn't always happen. A lot of times mattes don't swatch that well and then they look gorgeous on the eyes, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to look. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this, but I do want to test out a few of the colors and see what we come up with. So I'm going to try just go in with Purple Berry. This is the shade right here. Just a little kickback when you go in, but these seem like they're going to be really pigmented, so that is probably why. Ooh, that is blending really nicely without a lot of effort. And I did powder my eyelid too, which, you know, if you really want the color to stick and be a little bit more intense, you can go on without powdering onto a sticky base. But considering that I've already powdered my eyelid and the way that this is blending, looking really good. And even though there was a little kickback in the pan, there's no fallout. So I think if you tap very lightly with your brush, you're gonna be 100% fine. It's not a big deal at all. By the way, the first brush that I went in with was the Morphe E23. It's a big blender, and I'm gonna take a little bit smaller brush, but still kind of fluffy. This is the Morphe E13, and I'm gonna go into Love Berry, which was the last color that we swatched. I'm going to switch it up with a Profusion little eyeshadow brush and further kind of pack that in. I don't think I'm going to get around to using a lot of the shades today, but based off of the 2 colors I've used already, I am very impressed. Definitely wish I had gone for the bigger box now, because seeing the quality, whoa. I absolutely have to see what that first shade Pinkleberry is going to look like on the lid. So I'm going to take this MAC 248. It's a flat synthetic. I am going to take just a little bit of just Evian to wet it. That shade was a little bit crumbly on the swatch, so this way I just want to make sure it's not going to get everywhere and hopefully intensify it a bit too. What an easy eye look too. There is one eye done. Just to keep the video a little shorter, I'm going to finish off my eyes and then we will come back into the next 2 items. Alright, we got 2 more items and we have a lip gloss in the shade Firecracker. Ooh, it says, may your lipstick game always be fierce. Alright, so I'm excited for this. I don't know if this is a color that's going to go with what I have on. Hopefully one of these will look okay, but I do want to put the gloss on first because I can easily wipe it off and go for the lipstick. So, ooh, this is a beautiful shade. It looks kind of like iridescent. Let's see. Ooh, that is Firecracker. That is so gorgeous. So it doesn't really go with what I have on today. If I had used like Kissberry down here, it probably would be really cute together, but it is a gorgeous lip gloss on its own. And this is a good one for fall too, to pair with like a dark chocolate green, autumn colored eye. I think that would be really gorgeous. So that is what Firecracker looks like on the lips. So pretty. This is a gloss too that wears off really pretty. I know that's like a weird thing to say, but you know, glosses don't stay on that long, but it leaves like this little shimmer to the lips, which is actually really pretty too. Okay, I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. So we have a Colored Rain lipstick. Oh, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I got the shade Charmed. I'm gonna like cross my fingers that that's a color that's gonna go with this eye look. Either way, we're gonna try it on and I can always switch later. Ooh. Now, I much prefer this packaging. I'm not crazy about the packaging on the gloss just because, I don't know, I'd like something maybe a bit sleeker. But, I mean, this is crazy good. I would love to see, like, them kind of mirror this packaging in the gloss. But, I mean, formula-wise, it's amazing. This packaging is stunning. Ooh, I think we can make this work. I think this is going to be a really good color. So, this is the shade Charmed. Ooh, this is like my kind of color right here. I'm hoping that this is really pretty with the eye. All right, there you go. So it comes off a little bit pinker than I kind of expected. I thought it was going to look more of like a pink, maybe slightly brown nude, but it is really pretty nonetheless. The formula feels very comfortable. It does feel like, I don't know, kind of like a normal or maybe like a comfort matte, because it doesn't look, you know, luminous or shiny or anything, but it looks gorgeous. It did really, really well without a lip liner. I always like to test it without. That's just me, because sometimes I'm like, I don't have time and I just throw a lipstick on, and it applied really beautifully. You could definitely pair a liner with it. I would love to do something a little bit darker on the perimeter of the lips and blend it in. I think that would be gorgeous. But ooh, this is a really pretty color, and I think it suits the eye look pretty well. It's a little matchy with like the pink, but then the pink is like pinky gold, and this like mauvey purple is really pretty. So I think overall it turned out really cute. Okay, I also didn't put blush on earlier because I didn't know what my overall look was going to turn out like. So I'm going to take this little Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. It's a very glowy blush, so going in soft. Alright, so here's my completed look using my Colored Rain goodies. I am very excited, and I'm definitely tempted to order the other mystery box and see if I got some different stuff in there. So let me know if you're keen to see another one. I know maybe a little bit redundant, but maybe not. The only like warning I have is that this shade, Pinkleberry, is gorgeous, but it is definitely a very, very soft consistency. It can get very crumbly very easy, so just be careful with it. It just wants to fall apart really easily. So just be delicate with that one if you happen to get this palette. The lipstick I'm in love with. I like the formula a lot. I can't say enough good things. Like, it feels amazing. If this color is not your bag, I'm sure there are plenty of other colors to choose from. The gloss is absolutely stunning. I mean, you could pair this over lipstick. You could definitely wear it by itself because it's so pretty that way. I can't wait to pair this with another eye look that suits it a bit better because it's going to be so gorgeous. $20 for all of that is a super good deal. I kind of wish, again, that I had gotten the bigger box for sure. I'm tempted to order that right now, but I'm gonna take a pause and not do that right now. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos with mystery boxes. And if you guys hear of mystery boxes or you see them, you know, anywhere, let me know. You can definitely always DM me on Instagram. You can send me a message here or comment on the video. I'm pretty good about checking them and at least reading all of my comments. So yeah, let me know if you see some that you'd like for me to unbox for you. And that is it. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.